The Ninja QB3001 SS Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is a popular and affordable kitchen appliance. Compact design, the Ninja Fit Blender has a compact design that takes up very little counter space, making it ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms. Powerful motor, despite its small size, the Ninja Fit Blender is equipped with a powerful 700-watt motor that can easily blend through tough ingredients, like frozen fruit and ice. 2 included cups, the blender comes with 2 16-ounce cups that you can use to blend and drink your smoothies directly from. The cups are made from durable, BPA-free plastic and come with sip and seal lids that prevent spills and make it easy to take your drinks on the go. Dishwasher Safe, all of the blender's parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Affordable price. The Ninja Fit Blender is an affordable option for people who want to make their own smoothies at home without spending a lot of money on a high-end blender. Overall, the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is a reliable, convenient, and affordable option for making smoothies and other drinks at home. For more reviews, see the link in the description.